Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find YesStyle app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.